Yeah. So on that day we discussed on refractive index and refractive index. We talk about refractive index, right? And mu 2 1 is equal to refractive index of V1 upon V2. मतलब speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2, that we have, right? So, and I told you कि speed uh, V1 upon lambda 1 is equal to V2 upon lambda 2. If you want to find lambda 2, then you have to lambda 2, then you have to write V2 lambda 1 upon V1. This is when light ray goes from one medium to another medium, so only change in wavelength and velocity. There is no change in frequency, right? I told you this. Okay, so what else? What next topic you have, by the way? Then, as I told you, okay, जो प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिवर्सिबिलिटी क्या था? प्रिंसिपल ऑफ रिवर्सिबिलिटी. Principle of reversibility is that कि refractive index, refractive index of medium 2 with reference to medium 1 into refractive index of medium 1 with reference to medium 2 is equal to sin I upon sin R into sin R upon sin I. So they are cancelled out, you get 1. So it is 1. So we can say law of principle of reversibility is refractive index of medium 2 with reference to medium 1 into refractive index of medium 1 with reference to medium 2 is equal to 1. It can be written as refractive index of medium 2 with 1 is equal to 1 upon refractive index of medium 1 with reference to medium 2. This is law of reversibility we discussed. What next you have in this? Experimental verification is what happens if you take a glass slab. It is when you take a glass slab like this. This is a glass slab we have. This is a glass slab, right? This is glass slab. Okay. Now, if this is the line we have taken, and from this line there is incident ray. There is incident ray. This is incident ray, right? And it is normal. It is normal, right? And so there is angle of incidence, right? So when this is air, when it goes from air to glass, then it gets towards the normal. It bends. It bends towards the normal, right? When it reaches here, right? This is what? Angle of refraction 1. Huh? Again you have taken a normal from here. When you take a normal from here, right? So this is again angle of refraction 2, angle of refraction 2, right? And this light ray from denser to this is denser here, from rarer to denser goes towards normal, towards normal, right? And here from here, from rarer, from denser to rarer, from denser to rarer, away from normal, away from normal. So this light ray is coming like this, and it goes like this, right? So when you see, if you take a pin here and pin here, so here will also be a pin here and pin here. So when you see it through glass slab, they will be in a straight line, right? They looks in a straight line. This deviate, because of this deviation, it is deviating, right? This is called angle of emergence. It is called angle of emergence, right? Lick, but so this is, we have refraction through a, we called it refraction through a glass slab. Refraction refraction through a glass slab. Glass slab, right? So what happens? But if this deviation does not occur, suppose if deviation does not occur, then what happens? Then this line goes like this, right? Then this line goes like this. So this is what? This is called, it is called lateral displacement. Lateral, lateral displacement. Lateral displacement. Right? This is, we have lateral displacement, and this is refraction through a glass slab. Right? I hope you understand. This was in your syllabus. And one more thing is written there. What? Refraction through a, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? हाँ.
Multiple image in a thick plain glass plate or thick mirror.
Multiple image. Multiple image. Multiple image by a thick glass slab. What written there?
Thick glass and plate or
Thick glass plate. Okay. This is. Now again we go through with this. Just look by why what you are looking. It is in your syllabus. I know that. This is, a glass slab. This is a glass slab, right? This is like this, and it is thick, right? This is a glass plate or glass thick. It is thick, right? Then what happens? There is a normal. This is normal. Now will you show me where is object? What is it? Okay, there is an object. There is an object. Then what happens? Light ray falls here. Light ray falls here. There will be normal. This is an incident ray, right? And it reflects back in the, it reflects back in the same medium, right? Like this. So image is formed. First image is formed here, right? And some amount of light some goes get deviated, ठीक है ना, तो डिविएट है कि ऐसे गई, फिर यहाँ पे हमने एक नॉर्मल लिया, फिर यहाँ पे हमने नॉर्मल लिया, और फिर ये रिफ्लेक्ट होके ऐसे गई, हाँ, फिर क्या होगा, शो मी फॉर अब फिर ये यहां से ये ऐसे जाएगी, it is I2 and it goes away from the normal like this, it goes like this, right? Now फिर यहाँ पे एक नॉर्मल, ये नॉर्मल जनरेट हुआ है आपने, है ना, फिर कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ लाइट जो है वो ये जो फिर ये लाइट ऐसे आएगी, फिर ये एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, मतलब कुछ तो इधर आ गया, कुछ इधर चला गया, फिर ये इधर आया रिफ्लेक्ट होके, फिर यहाँ पे नॉर्मल नॉर्मल, and then again you get an image here, then it is normal, it goes, you know, like this, incident ray, right? Again there is a normal, or this is now some of the light goes parallel to this, and its image is formed, here, I3, again it is reflecting, this is reflection, it is coming here, this is reflected ray, there is a normal for this, it goes like this, right, and it goes like this, right, then there is a normal, it gets deviated, from its path like this, and from back it is This is I4. So images keep on forming. These are multiple images are formed due to this reflection. The reflection जो हो रहा है हमारा like this, reflection is having like this, happening like this, right? This these are parallels, and they are also parallels because it is not on a scale, but it is happening like this. So you can get these are the multiple refraction, multiple image by a thick glass slab, right? And इसमें एक चीज है, मतलब which you have to be conscious, सारी images होंगी. ये जो second image है, second image I2 is most highly intense, highly intense. ये जो होती है ये हाईली इंटेंस होती है, ठीक है. बाकी जो होती है वो इंटेंस नहीं होती है, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा इंटेंस ही होगी, बाकी सब डिमिनिश्ड होंगी. सो दिस इज वी हैव राइट थ्रू ग्लास स्लैब. So this is we have multiple image formation by glass slab. This is by refraction through a glass slab. This is reflection through a glass slab. This is multiple image from glass. This is you have in your syllabus, right?